Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare an aftermarket Mercedes IR key and get it fully ready for programming. Just a quick heads up before we begin. There's no such thing as a universal key for Mercedes. You either need to buy an OEM original key or go with a compatible aftermarket option. What we're working with today is an aftermarket IR key. And like all BE-type Mercedes keys, it relies on infrared IR signals, not transponder chips. That's why these keys don't have a traditional chip inside. Now, to get started, let's open up the key shell. First, press the top button to release the backplate. Then, using a flat blade or a small tool, carefully pop open the upper shell. The side part of the key can be removed by gently pushing it upwards. No screws or tools required. Inside, you'll find the IR chip board. You'll notice that the circuit board in this one is yellow, and that's important. The yellow board works with programmers like the Autel EM608 and doesn't require tokens. There's also a green version which typically does require tokens and is often used with Xhorse V VDI tools. So, depending on your programming device, make sure you're using the right board color. Once the shell is open, we're going to attach the IR chip. Line it up correctly and just snap it into place. After that, take the top half of the shell and click it back together firmly. Now it's time to install the battery. Remove the upper cover again, place the battery in its designated slot, and snap the cover back on. Make sure everything is aligned tightly and clipped securely. That ensures good contact and functionality. To test if the key is working, simply press the lock button and look for the red light on the key. If the light flashes, that means the key is ready and working. It's now fully prepped for programming. That's it for this video. This was just the key preparation step. In the next video, we'll walk you through the actual programming process for Mercedes BE keys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice on a few test shells if you're just getting started.